and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Nicole if you guys are new here, and if you're not new here, welcome back. I make lifestyle videos here on YouTube and I'm currently doing Vlogmas, so this is my first vlog. This will be up on December 1st. If you guys are enjoying my lifestyle content here, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe, and be sure to also follow me on my social media if you guys want to see more interactive posts with me, like showing my outfit or what my kitties are doing or what Mitch and I are making for dinner. So it's just a little bit more interactive on there, and I would love to see who's coming over from YouTube and vice versa. So I will link my Instagram up here. It's just at EmilyNicole97, and Nicole is with an H. And what else? Oh yeah, I did want to show you guys this sweater I got. I actually got this off of Facebook Marketplace, but it's from Everlane. It's like this fleece. I got this for like 30 bucks, and I thought that was a really good deal considering how expensive Everlane is. But I'm actually in sweats. I'm just wearing these, like, I guess I'll show you guys, these like tie-dye sweats. And yeah, it's just Monday and I'm going to be going to a spin class in a little bit, but yeah, I just wanted to film this video, which is more of a sit down video, and I feel like I haven't done one of these in forever, which is why I'm so excited to be just like sitting and cozy, and I have like my little tea here, and I feel like this was just like my thing in the beginning of my channel. I would always like film sit down videos and just like have a cup of coffee or tea. So, but in today's video, I am going to be giving you guys some of my tips on staying healthy and staying into like a good routine during the holiday time. In no way, I also just want to make this disclaimer, in no way am I trying to promote like restrictive eating or to even care so much about, like, how do I describe it? There's just so many YouTubers who are just obsessed with body image, their diet, they're restrictive, they're obsessed with working out, and like that's not the kind of message or image I want to share. I think that there's a lot of value in teaching balance. That's kind of why I wanted to share some of these healthy tips that I found and like I'm starting to use going into the holiday season. But again, in no way am I saying don't eat your holiday cookies, try to cut back on like don't eat the meat on like Thanksgiving. Like, trust me, I've been vegan, I've done all the diet fads. Like, I just want to promote balance here, and whatever diet you have is a good diet, whether that's vegan, vegetarian, or if you do eat meat. But whatever that diet is, I just want to promote a more balanced diet. So I just thought I would share my tips, and then also I have right here next to me a ton of, not a ton, but I have like some workout pants and some new workout tops. I think I mentioned that in a vlog previously, that I had gotten some new workout stuff. I don't know if I ended up including it in the vlog. I'm super excited to show you guys some of those new pieces. They're all from Poshmark too. And I actually have two other things up there I want to show you, but I will just get right into the video. And tip number one is to walk with your family. I think this is such a good and easy way to be more balanced and also stay active throughout the holidays. So that I just think it's a good idea. Like, you can either bring your dog, or if you're back home, you can walk with your family, maybe walk after like a dinner, like a very heavy dinner or something. I just think it's a very simple way to get your exercise in, get outdoors, and spend time with family. I also think that walking is just the simplest way to get exercise in, because it doesn't really require much. Even if you go out of town, you can still walk outside. So if you don't have access to your gym membership or you can't take a workout class, those are just some easy ways. Walking is just such an easy way to be able to stay active even when all of your other like resources and stuff aren't necessarily with you throughout the holidays. So the second tip that I have here is don't go to parties hungry. So this is something I used to do all the time. I was so guilty of this, and I actually like just did this on Thanksgiving, is I just like did not eat until basically it was time to go for Thanksgiving dinner, and just realized, like, I was like, wow, I didn't really have any nutritional breakfast, and I didn't have like nutritional snacks throughout the day. So it just reminded me to put that on there, is make sure you eat before you go to these big holiday dinners, or like Christmas dinner, or just make sure that you eat before you go, because you can tend to overeat, indulge, or even want to go for seconds. But if you're just kind of sticking with the same routine that you've always had with your eating schedule, you won't really run into that. But for some reason, the holidays seem to like change everything for me, and I think that I should be eating like tons of second helpings and just extra treats. But just try to stick within your normal eating routine, I would say. And yeah, hopefully by just sticking with your normal routine up until like those bigger dinners with families, with your family, that you won't be tempted to overeat. And the third tip I have here is just to be mindful. And this is kind of what I was saying before, is just eat as you normally would. So if you don't typically have like 2 huge plates full of food, say on Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving is an example because we just had Thanksgiving, but say for Christmas, if you guys have a big family dinner, like if you normally don't go up for like a second full plate of food, then just don't. Try to stick to your normal routine with eating and make it as normal as possible, which kind of leads to my 4th tip that I have here, is just don't drink alcohol more than you usually would. Again, this is just piggybacking off the idea of like, try to stick within your normal routine and what feels normal to you. So I know that sometimes when I go home, like either I'll be around someone who's having like a beer or a glass of wine. Not that my family is even like a big drinkers by any means, but sometimes just being around it in a way that you usually don't could make you maybe want to pour a glass or something. And obviously, depending on what kind of alcohol it is, it can have lots of sugar in it and stuff like that. So I just recommend really trying to just stick with what you normally do for yourself. So if you don't eat tons of sweets every single day, I'm not saying don't have the sweet or don't have a glass of wine or a beer or whatever, but just be mindful of, don't do anything you wouldn't do if you weren't in your own space or in your own home. And my 5th tip that I have here is actually to drink tons and tons of water, and especially before and after your meals. I think I read something a while ago that said if you drink like a glass of water, you can kind of tell if whether you were just like your body was super thirsty or if you are actually like really hungry. So I always like to suggest to drink some water before you eat. That kind of makes the hunger feel a little bit more like realistic, like okay, maybe like some of this was just like thirst and not that I need to be eating so much. Yeah, definitely just stay hydrated throughout the holidays, especially if you are eating more salty foods, or if you're eating or if you're drinking more beer or wine. You know, just staying hydrated is always good, but especially during the holidays, because a lot of those traditional foods that we eat, like the turkey and I'm not even like the green bean casserole, I'm just giving examples of Thanksgiving, but those are very salt heavy foods. Okay, and the 7th tip that I have is actually drop-in workout classes. I know that because of COVID, it can be kind of difficult, but before COVID, when I went back home, since I didn't have like a gym, well, I actually had Planet Fitness, but sometimes I just like to kind of try new workout places. I know that's probably not going to be able to happen this year. I know that the workout studio that I went to, they stopped doing like drop-ins, and it's only open to like its current members. But if you're in an area, maybe like somewhere in the South or Arizona, depending where you're at, which state, your drop-in workout studios still might be open. So I definitely suggest supporting local, trying a new workout studio, maybe ask your mom, your aunt, or your grandma to come with you. I think that would be such a fun way to still work out, but also to support local. And then the final tip that I have, to treat yourself to some new workout clothes. And I definitely have just been on a health reset journey the past few weeks since signing up for my new yoga studio. Trying something different. I had always done like the home workouts, I had always done like weight training in the gym, and it did give me super good results. I had the tonus abs, but after a while there was just something when I just kind of like fell out of it. Like it almost wasn't sustainable for me, and especially because my job isn't like reliant like on a gym. Like if I was a personal trainer, I could see how you would need to like keep like a super toned body consistently year round, maybe for your work. But for me, like I work at home. I'm in tech sales, if you guys didn't know, and it just didn't make sense. Like, why was I doing this to my body? And like, it was a challenge at the time, but I definitely kind of came to a crossroads where I was like, I want to be healthy, but I also just like need more balance into my life. And I feel like I was so influenced by YouTubers always showing these like insane workouts, or getting a personal trainer, or, you know, doing all these ab workouts every single day. And I think that there is value into just finding some sort of routine that works for you to keep you healthy, to make balanced diet choices, but not to be on like one extreme and then the other extreme. You know what I'm saying? Like one extreme being you work out every single day and you never slip up with your diet, and then the other is just like you feel blah, you have no motivation, you don't do anything at all. I feel like I was always like on one or the other. Like I could never find like a happy medium, work out without feeling like I had to push myself even harder. That leads me into my lack of motivation and wanting to get a few new pieces. So I'm just gonna show you guys these now, but I wanna quickly take a sip of this. Okay, so I got 2 new shirts, so I'll just show these now. All this stuff is from Poshmark, so I just wanted to provide that disclaimer that I didn't buy like any of this new, obviously, and unfortunately it's kind of hard to find the same pieces because they are like used. But definitely check Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, I believe that's the website's name, and Poshmark. All 3 are where you can buy secondhand used clothes. I know that a lot of people post like Lululemon stuff on Facebook. If you're looking for affordable but also name brand really nice pieces to spice up your activewear workout wardrobe. So yeah, anyways, I will just get right into it. So this first top is like I thought it was pink on the website, but now I'm thinking it's more of like a purple. I don't know if I'm just like colorblind, but this is from Athleta. It is a size extra, extra small, and it has a built-in bra to it, and it's just a regular workout tank. I think this would look really cute with like my green leggings that I have. I do feel like it's a little bit summery, but I thought it was so cute, and I'm a sucker for pink, so I picked that up. And I ended up getting this for $10. So that just kind of puts into perspective how cheap and affordable you can get. Like a Athleta tank top is definitely more expensive if you buy it new. Okay, then the second top that I got is this Lululemon striped top. It just has the symbol on it, and it's a racer back just like the other one. I believe this is a size 2, and it is like a black and white striped. I got this one for $19, so I felt like this was just super, like this was just like a really good staple piece for me. I can wear this like black Lulus. I can wear this with a lot of different legging colors, so I was super excited about this one. Then I did get 2 sports bras, and both are Lulu. I got this one for such a good deal, and the quality, you guys, is literally amazing. I got this Lululemon sports bra for $13, and it just has like a super thick straps in the back that crisscross, and yeah, the material is super great, and it even came with the padding. I know sometimes like I myself like lose the padding in bras to begin with, so the fact that I was able to find a Lulu one that still had the padding in it as well was just a super good deal. And I love like just thick strap sports bras. I think they provide like a lot of support, and they just look really sleek with like high-waisted black leggings. So I got that. And then the second sports bra that I got is again a Lululemon one. This one has more like a tank top strap to it, which I really liked. But the back just looks like that. I think it is almost more flattering on my shoulders because I do kind of have wider shoulders, so wide. I don't know if that's a thing, but yeah, it's just like a super good material. This one didn't come with the padding, but I think I have some like loose pads that I could put in there, but I got this one for $19, so that was a super good deal. And then the last thing I got were these Lululemon workout pants. They have this like detailing on it. I had wanted these scalloped like leggings for so long, and I just never ended up getting them on the website because I believe they were like over like $140 when these were originally like out on the Lululemon website. So I never got them, but I always thought they were so cute, and then randomly they showed up in my Poshmark, so I ended up getting these for $60. Okay, and actually there was 2 other things that I wanted to quickly show you guys that I got. These were both used as well, but this is a Lululemon like athletic bag. I think technically it's supposed to be like for festivals maybe, but I just thought it was so cute to just kind of drape over for workout classes. I can stick like a water bottle in here, my keys, my sunglasses, a water bottle, like some hair ties or scrunchies or whatever inside this. So I think this was like a really good decision, and also since it's like winter out, you never know if it's going to be like snowing on my walk to the studio, so it's kind of like that material. So I think it's just a really good piece. I ended up getting this for I believe like $35 on the website Mercari, I believe it is. So I love that. And then the last item that I got, which is not really related to workout, but kind of because, okay, long story short, I got the Amazon coat, like the coat that everyone talked about. There was like an Upper East Side New Yorker mom like discovered this coat on Amazon, and then like everyone started buying it, and it kind of came out of New York. But yeah, it blew up. And when I actually first got mine, it was super cheap because I got mine when I was like a senior in college, I believe, and I originally got the black one, and I like absolutely loved it. But I was studying in Ross one night, like kind of late, and I think I got up or I walked back maybe without my jacket, and then when I came back to try to find it, it was gone. So nobody turned it in, and I believe it got stolen because I don't know where else it would have been. But I ended up getting this beige color. I actually like this one a lot better than the black one anyways. It just has like really cute detailing, so I know it's kind of like an older coat, but honestly I don't care, and I absolutely love this coat, and I'm like so happy I discovered it when I did. I like randomly discovered it on Amazon. I don't even remember any of my friends having it at first, but then like my friend Molly, her friend Jill, like we would all wear them to comm class together. But yeah, that's just kind of funny. But yeah, I definitely needed like a thicker, warmer coat, and I had just like dreaded buying like a new coat. So I did get this off of Mercari too. This was $90, which is like originally like $140 now. When I first got the coat, it wasn't that much, but yeah, it's definitely more expensive now because it did get so popular. But that's all I have for you guys today. Those are my tips on staying healthy and balanced throughout the holidays, and some of the new workout pieces that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 1. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps my channel literally so much, and I'm so excited to see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys!